Basketball isn't easy. All my life I've been striving to be the best. It takes hard work, effort, determination. You don't got time to slack off. To be the best, you have to work the hardest. No time to complain about all the pain. Because if you have the drive, the heart, and the ambition to go past your limits, you can be one of the legends in basketball.